हो गया. Raji and Sunny, Gopi has come just now, joined with the mummy and Kulvinder's daughter just now within 10 minutes.
Yes.
And she's lovely. It's nice. First time she has come to your quarter. And these three people have just come about 10 minutes back with another doggy. I will show you later. Okay? And here is a small doggy. He's becoming Ramlila. We went to Ramja ground at Lal Killa, Chandni Chowk Gurdwara, and she bought from there. And here is your Harjeet, okay? And here is the Master Angar, and here is the another Angar, Nella and Nella. They remain all together both time, okay? And here the food is being, your mummy is making food inside. And Indian chicken and Indian fish. Your chicken, your mummy here is cooking, and here Harjeet is helping. They plan to go today in the evening. I told them to stay for up to Sunday and go on Sunday evening, but they said no. We are going to go for lunch, and Gopi has not accepted your for whiskey. He said he's Indian, he wants to like Indian only. He has taken little bit, small pack of 8 p.m. brought from CSG canteen. So earlier I thought, okay, you can open foreign whiskey if you like, but he has not opened. He said no, when Sunny comes, then only we'll open it. Okay, fine. And here are the 3 doggies, and 4 doggies outside, and here is another doggy outside. Okay, from inside you can see he's hiding somewhere. I don't know where it is.
There it is.
Yeah, you can see from little bit from back. Oh, he's hiding and sitting. Oh, uncle, can you go outside? Yeah, he has come. He is come. Uncle is playing now outside the gallery near club. So I think he has got a smell of chicken. These all doggies, all people like chicken very much. Very good. Okay. Okay, go out, go inside. Yeah. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Go over there. He understood. इसको खोलो यार. चल. Hey. He very smart. ओ यार आज करके इसको करो, इसको करो. ले जाओ. Go. Yeah. Stay. उनको बोलो ऑर्डर करो. Sit there. Go and sit there. उसको ऑर्डर करो यार. Speak something from mouth. You have to speak something from mouth. Then only he'll accept. Then only he'll accept. And when you take food, you must wash your hands. Okay? Now, the things which we don't use daily, the defects are not known to us. The Simran's AC is not working properly. The man is coming to put gas. He said there's no gas. So this AC is not working properly. The guest came 2-3 days back, and they slept without fan, without AC. They will be going today in the evening, and today is the Sarah holiday, and the AC chai will bring gas only on Monday. Tomorrow, may bring tomorrow, and gas comes and gas goes. I don't know what defect the man has done while fixing. It may be a permanent feature. So there was a big गोपी ले हेल्प योर सेल्फ, हेल्प नहीं यार, ले यार लेना, आराम ना पी के रेस्ट कर रहा हूँ कर। नान की सिटिंग में दादी जी, दादी जी जेठानी, she has passed away. She went to Punjab and mummy went to Rohtak at that time to see the children. Your Deepa's man came, he had taken out the plates, he had taken out that this Mr. Ajay Khanna, Pradeep Khanna had fixed this, and Deepa's person has taken out, and he had kept here the garbage, in the corner. Similarly, these are taken out. I don't know what they, and here again it is as it is. Is the previous thing. These plates have been taken out. They are going to fix. I don't know how they are fixed. Eating girl, Nanki. She's eating. What's called? What we call it? Salad. A salad. She is eating salad, and once we start moving, she'll run away. She'll finish all the salad before we start. Good. वो काउंट कर दिए ना जी, साडा ही है देसी आटा पंजाब का, जिन्ना को मर्जी खाए। हर चीज़ गिण गिण पाँदी है, पतलियां 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 पतलियां। ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਮੋਟੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਵੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, 2 ਜਾਂ 3। ਜਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਾਤਾ ਦੀ ਦੋ ਵੱਡੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਫੁੱਲ ਖਿਲਾਏ, ਸਾਨੂੰ 1 ਜਾਂ 1.5। ਜਦੋਂ 2 ਲੱਗ ਪਏ ਖਾਣ ਨਾਲ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਜਵਾਨਾ ਹੀ ਗਿਣਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੱਚਾ 2 ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਖਾਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਏ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਪੂਰਾ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ। ਪੌਣੀਆਂ 2 ਬੱਚਾ, 1.5 ਬੱਚਾ, ਜੋ 2 ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਖਾਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਏ ਨਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਕਾਊਂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ। ਕਿਉਂ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਸੀ ਨਾ। ਤੇ 2 ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ 3 ਤਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਤਗੜਾ ਹੀ ਬੰਦਾ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ, ਨਹੀਂ 2 ਹੀ ਨੋਰਮਲੀ ਬੱਚੇ 1.5 2। ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ 8-8 ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਬਣਾਉਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਤਾਂ ਥੱਕ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਹਾਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ, ਅਜੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ 2 ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਵੱਡੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ। ਹੈਲੋ, ਹੀ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਟਾਈਗਰ, ਕੁਲਵੰਤ ਸਨ। ਹੈਲੋ, ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਵੈਰੀ fond of playing cricket. He brought balla. Where is your balla? Yeah, this Angad brought his balla. Balla. He played 3-4 days. He played cricket here. See it here. And he defeated all the children over here. There was no child to play with him here. He is a tiger of playing. He said anyone who is a master, he can come and play with him. But no one. See this boy. They are making a playground here. When they walk with the correct mood, and they try to shake hands. They pull the hands this thing way. This is our landline telephone. It has come on my name. And your 232 mobile has also come on my name. I have got a civil ration card. It includes mummy and me. You people are not there. So we are the resident of Gurgaon. You are the temporary. And driving license is given for mummy and me. I think once it becomes, it is your liberty. It is your liberty to give power of attorney to mummy or to me. I will suggest you can give power of attorney to mummy because she is your more sincere worker. I am not there because I will run away any time to Patiala. God knows till I am here. When I fight with your mummy, I say I am just going. No one can stop me. And your mummy say, I knew it very well. I knew it, you can go anywhere. So, okay, so that's why I'm feeling okay, better you give the power of attorney to mummy. But it doesn't mean that I will not help. I will come. I will come off and on whenever your mummy orders me. But I want to shift to Patiala. I have a desire to do agriculture, where I can show my worth. Here I am. Here anyone can do anything. There's no work here for me. Sitting on TV, reading newspaper, handling money. It's a ladies' matters. This is a bowl I am maintaining. What I have to do, to whom I have to speak, what things have to come. I am still maintaining the chart. This is your mummy. Computer, she always played cards here. This is a two gamla given by Praveen, which were brought from Faridabad. And here is your stabilizer. They have taken the height. I don't know where to be height. Deepa was, Akrant was asking me, you want to put it here? I said, we don't know where Sunanda want to put it. But as far as office is concerned, office was, where is there's office? It should be here. It should be there only. So we presently are comfortable in the office. If you ask me, nothing is required here. Printer is doing well. Ink is not put since I have come. Since last 4 months, only once ink was put, once it came from Faridabad. After that, 4 months have passed, I have not put any ink in this. This is a desktop. I am not using it normally. But if I use it, no problem, because tablet is there. But if I am sitting on the left, and I got two, one is mummy's and one is this laptop, and I am quite comfortable here. And its driver is not good, sound driver. I am going to ask him to make it correct. So I normally use this laptop, and this normally I use very less when I need to hear. Yeah, you start. What you want me? What you are asking me? No. But why you are irritating me? Your mummy always scold me, that's why you want to go away from here. You find pretty other father, okay? You are the habit of, so please leave me. I am fed up from your mummy. I will go anytime. I may go to Rohtak, I may go to Harpreet, but I believe I will go to Rahim Ajra, my village. I want to do agriculture. So, you all people have on the mummy. I want no problem. I want to live with my own brothers. That's my last desire. Your mummy is scolding why I am not starting food. I don't know why she scolds me. And Gopi say he will go today in the evening. Why? No, she is telling me I speak too much. Now I don't know, if I don't speak, who will speak? No one wants to speak, and no one wants to allow others to speak. No, she is telling me to leave the glass. I don't know if I leave that, then who will have the handle glass in the hand. So I am telling Raji Harjeet to stay here tonight and stay here 2-3 days more. But I think I heard that they are planning to go today in the evening. They have come from Rohtak, Jajjar side. Jajjar side, Old Gurgaon, Rajiv Chowk, and then within 2 hours. They started at 12 o'clock there and they reached at 2 o'clock. Just within 2 hours. And I take 1 hour to go to Delhi from here. Okay? भैन जी रोटी तो खाओ अपनी मर्जी अपनी तो चटती है मम्मी हैज फिनिश्ड द फूड Gopi has come today, so I got the liberty to drink today. Your mummy is both of us. Not you. Your mummy is scolding me. You don't need the glass. My glass is empty. See, it's empty here.
I have already
see. And Gopi's glass is also empty. Still, your mummy is scolding us. Angad, oh Chotu, and Nanki is very, very cunning, I tell you. She never sits seriously on the book. She run away. Movement she. Chachu को दो ना फिर थोड़ा मेरे को डालो. Okay, good. Put me, I put myself. Okay, here's your drink on your behalf.
Cheers.
Bill may come to you. How much we drink? Because it's your house.
Cheers for the flat.
Cheers for the bill.
Cheers for the bill.
Take your plate.
मैंने गोपी को बोला यार उसकी अंग्रेजी खोल लीए कहना डैडी क्या बात करते हो आप ओरिजिनल बंदे हो तुम उल्टियाँ गल्लां करते हो आप अपनी पीने सी और विस्की जस्ट $2 इन इंडिया ये जाई कहना पंजाब जो है दरिया है दारू का इतने इतनी चीप है बट
32,000 crore in the revenue per year.
You should have a day to drink. And it is the same what you feel in Punjab, in USA.
Good flat.
But thank God our children are
good flat.
Yeah, he says Gopi is telling he is very appreciative.
Good flat.
He says a very good flat. Cindy is very good outside.
The rest of the thing is if the family stays together then you enjoy the stay.
The same thing he is telling, but I objected. It requires a family to stay here. It requires every 10 children to play here and one old or two, 3 children, at least 5, 6. But here when you find only 1 or 2 people staying here, that's
you keep searching for each other.
Yeah, definitely that's happened. Once I was locked and I remembered किथे गई हैं तेरा कितना बोल रहे हो I said I am in the bathroom. By then a kick from inside your glass was broken. It came down. So that's the thing. Big house are good, but for the people to live. It is not just to take over the possession and say enjoy life. You can enjoy life with the people, with the children.
We people are enjoying the house.
Yeah. In fact, we people are, and it is a 4-man set. You see, this my table. This is a 4. Hold on. This is a 4-man set here. Your mummy is. Okay, आप हलो आप बात करो. आप बात करो मैं बैठता हूँ. ये लो.
बस बहुत हो गई बात.
Mummy said don't speak too much. See, and मैंने कहती है टिड्स गई है वो बुलाउन रही है दस टिड्स की चला गया कुछ नहीं गया मच्छी बाहर पई है मुर्गा बाहर पे है so now see the speed of hunger how is he eating see good. See the Nanki. She is very cunning girl. She is very cunning. She don't eat when photo is being taken. Amanda Roberts, when she came here, her food used to come out from the tongue. I said, no, never you show your food from the tongue. Keep close. Now the elder member of the family, Guman family, is coming on the dining table. Please go and take your food. The children are planning. Children are planning to go to USA very well.
बहुत अच्छी बनाई है.
No.
Fish बहुत अच्छी बनी है. बहुत मस्त है, बहुत अच्छी.
ऐसे. Your mummy made the fish at night yesterday. It was very good. We are taught Harjeet, and Gopri is very appreciative. And Harjeet, we are told the menu of the first recipe, and we are giving a raw fish to Harjeet today, and she should make over there at her own. We will get the report whether she is able to make it like that or not tomorrow.
I'll give a call.
Yeah.
Two fish.
सारे रोटी खान डे ने. भैन जी बैठ ते आ गए ने. सारे रोटी खान डे आ. भैन जी अपने 2 फुलके छक के ते हुण वो टीवी देखण डे ने सामने. This is a TV, and we have put on one TV in the master bedroom, and others we have not put on. Once you come in January, then we will put on. You are lucky that in your absence some parents are staying in your house. Yeah. खुश होंगे बच्चों को देख के. They will be happy to see. Yeah, very good. Doggy is there outside the gallery. He is waiting for us to finish the food. Let us serve them. Is very good. And here is the next coming up window. This is the clock downward. भैन जी ये थोड़ी गर्मी महसूस होती है. इनू माड़ा आ दब दो जे इधर मूँह करके. इनू आ जब विचकारला बटन है चल पेगा. हाँ विचकारला हाँ इदा विचकारले नू इधर मूँह करके इस चल पेगा. एक मिनट विचकारला ये दूजा आ गया शायद. No, I think there's some, it may be of other's room, the remote may be of, yeah, but the remote can tell, I don't know why the remote is not working here. No, it's not working. हरजीत रिमोट नहीं काम कर रहे की गल ये उधर फिर आवे नहीं. इट्स नॉट वर्किंग. हैं स्पीक इंग्लिश. क्या नहीं है? No, it's not working. I said it's not working. Take other one. You take the other one. It may be working. It's not working. That's why I come to you. That's what I complained. Why I should have complained had it been working there.
This remote doesn't work.
हाँ, just put it on.
This one.
ऐसे ही कर दे यार.
ये वाला remote.
Oh, don't do यार, panika. Keep it there. Keep that. Keep there, I say.
All the remotes work if the main switch was off.
क्या? क्या था?
The main switch was off from there.
White was off.
That I don't know.
We never put it off. तो हो गया ठीक है थल्ले कर दे माड़ा यार हो गया ਹੁਣ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਪਤਾ ਥੱਲੋਂ ਬੰਨ ਕੀ ਲੈ ਤੂੰ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੂੰਹ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਚਲੋ
और किचन में माँ का काम माँ को ही करती है और आपको कैसे बात असली बात सुनिए आपको कैसे
ओके
You can't make it, right?
See
That was not clear.
the four men sat and 6 eat on it. Four men table.
1, 2, 3,
And
4 and a half.
we 6, 7 are eating on it. See,
4 and a half.
Yeah, four and a half people are sitting and see every space, every bit of space is filled. That's what we like.
Sunan will enjoy this flat later, but we have already enjoyed it.
You can take my photo also.
Huh?
Daddy dancing.
Hey Sunan, see this dad dancing this. Yeah, these walls makes a family when the members are in the 4 walls, right?
You give the Buddha Buddha just for the discussion in the big.
It is the number of family members who are inside, right? That makes the
Old man always enjoy it.
So you have already claimed whatever you have spent in this house, right? Your family, your complete family has already enjoyed the house, except you. Probably you, when you come, you will also enjoy it. See, dad has already danced. You can see something in the dad's hand. I have already enjoyed that thing. So, and the house is good. See what mama is saying. She's saying we are missing you, and what she has made, if you would have been here, probably would have enjoyed. But never mind. It is only this is October, November, December, 2 months, 3 months, right? 4th month we'll be together in this house. And see this Ramlila. This is Sita, almost Sita.
Nanki comes Sita.
This is Nanki. This is Nanki, and she has worn this Sita's mukut. Today is the Shara, by the way. And dad is enjoying the Shara in Bermuda. Probably Raji will give a broad smile on this comment. And see, Nanki gave a kiss to Master Ji and Masi Ji. See, this is for Master Ji and this is for Masi Ji. For Masi Ji also should be good here. And one for Simran. There is, look, the deepest is for the Simran, right? And see that how is he enjoying the salad with pretty drinks here. It is not what you are eating, actually it is what you are eating. Yeah, mama, see, this is fish, man, you will be missing this in America. Mom has made it and I am thoroughly enjoying it. Excellent taste. I don't think you will get this in America, whatever dollars you may spend. So you don't disturb me on that part. Probably I am going to screw this fish right now. And see, this is Goldie, Paji's daughter. And she is such a decent girl.
Dad is too happy.
See, dad is too happy. See what is he doing with the bottle. He has just unscrewed the bottle, not screwing the bottle.
After many days, he was longing for us to come.
See, Sunan, I don't know, whatever you have put in, you have already, the value of that money is already been received. And see, dad is putting this in me, in my glass.